Everybody wants a good night's rest. ZzzQuil Sleep Nasal Strips instantly open your nose for easier breathing and can help reduce snoring. To use, remove a single strip from the package and peel away the strip's liner, being careful to touch as little of the adhesive as possible. Using the strip's center indicator, center the strip on the bridge of the nose. Press and hold the strip for 30 seconds. Ensure that the lower pull points are touching the nostrils for maximum effectiveness. After use, wet the strip with warm water. Then lift from both ends for easy, residue-free removal. ZzzQuil Sleep Nasal Strips. Better days start with ZzzQuil Nights.